Oh my, where is that coming from?
I don't know, but it is flooding that hotel.
Oh my, imagine the people in there. Holy
It's like a geyser.
Shit. Is it coming from the ground?
It has to be.
We are in Santa Maria. I mean, Santa Monica. What the hell?
I've never seen anything like that. I've seen...
Look, see, those people are looking too. In that hotel.
Yeah.
What the...
I mean, I've seen it where people have... Where the pipes have broken on the ground.
Those poor people in those... Like... What?
Oh, they're going to have to cut the water off.
Yeah, look, see, those people... Is that a fire truck?
Yeah. They started here. Look, I saw the first ambulance. I said, I wonder what's going on with that. But then as I looked, I went, holy crow. The only way they're going to have to stop...
Yeah, see, look, they're going into the ground.
Yeah, they're going to have to cut off the water supply. That may affect all these hotels here. They may not... These hotels may be without water for a while. Depending on how they can cap that off, where they're going to cap it from.
Jeez.
Trying to get into the sitting manhole, I guess.
How did that even happen?
I don't know.
Imagine if you're one of those rooms there, like... That is a hotel, right?
Yeah.
What hotel is it?
I don't know. What are they going to do with that?
Maybe they're going to try and get people out. Oh, no, they can't get through the water. You'd have to get out through, like, the...
I imagine there's other ways to get out of the hotel.
Yeah, yeah.
They're probably trying to access the roof, but it looks like the problem's on the roof.
Damn, that's a lot of water.
Oh, got it. Your shoes and socks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hi.
How are ya?
Seeing that spectacle out there.
Oh yeah, the hit fire hydrant.
Is that what they did? Somebody hit a fire hydrant?
Off the fire hydrant there, yep. Oh yeah, it's still.
Oh yeah, it's like a geyser.
Yeah.
They're trying to shut it off, the fire department. They're not having any success.
Fire trucks and everything. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is. I've never actually seen one of those in person or happen at all. So that's.
What are they doing on the roof?
I'm not sure. The fire hydrant's on the ground. I don't know. They're going to have to cut off the water supply in that area in order
I wonder
to
if
cap
our
it.
shutters next to our hotels is any water pressure at all.
Yeah, I know. I was wondering.
Is that a hotel over there?
Well, the white here, that's theirs too. This
Oh.
one here.
What about that
Ours.
red building?
I think it's a hotel, isn't it?
I think. Yeah, I'm not even sure which one.
Oh, it's going down now.
Wow.
All right, so
Shoe
I
socks.
take it all back to you.
Yes, and here, and the ones that have to, these can go, we'll put them in the back of the car. We have